Okay guys, so this is my burger with all the works, with everything. Burger with all the works, look. Well, hold on. I have to put all of the works in. Everything with the tomatoes.
Minglava, Majimuya, English Sising Jozo Bade, Burglish Gale Jozo Bade, Burglish Soda Bamasgane, English Gao, Yobia Kaja, Burglish Lakota.
Hey guys, welcome back to Burglish, and today, this week, we are going to talk about some fun English phrases for when you are grabbing a bite to eat. So when you're at a restaurant or a diner, these are some of the phrases that you might hear or use. Okay, ဒီနေ့ကတော့ Jimon တို့ကဒီစကားစုတွေအစားတောက်နဲ့ဆိုင်တဲ့ဟာတွေကိုပြန်ပြောမယ်เนาะပို့ပြောမယ်တကယ်ချင်းနေနဲ့ထမင်းသွားစားရင်ထမင်းဆိုင်မှာသွားစားရင်ဒီစကားစုတွေကိုဘယ်လိုမျိုးသုံးရမလဲလို့ Jimon ပြောပြမယ် Okay, so let's get started. I'm starving. I don't know if you're starving, but I'm starving. I'm famished. I could eat a horse. I'm so hungry. No? I'm so hungry. So let's go talk and grab a bite to eat. So I'm looking at the menu. Menu ochiniya, no? Barisame. What am I gonna eat? Everything looks delicious. Everything looks delicious. Yada shilaita. The menu ochilayale. No? There's a variety of food. Everything looks delicious. I'll have what you're having. No? I'll order what you're having. I'll have what you have. I'll have you what you have, right? It means I trust you. I trust your choice. Okay, so my favorite on the menu is a burger, especially my burger. And that burger, it has the works. The works. I'll have the works, right? So when you say the works, it means it has everything. Along shira haria di burger ma. Tomato, cheese, lettuce, just the works, everything. Not a ketchup, mustard. The burger ma. It works. It has the works. Everything. I'll have the burger. Look, all the works. All the works. Cheese, Swiss cheese, lettuce, tomato. My favorite burger, hands down. Stuffing my face. Pigging out. All the works burger. Okay, since I'm ordering a lot with the works burger, I am pigging out. I am pigging out. Stuffing my face. Stuffing my face also means you're pigging out. You're eating so much. You're putting so much stuff in your face. I'm pigging out. I am stuffing my face. The food was so good. It was to die for. It was to die for. It means it was so delicious. It was so good. To die for means teboba. No? It was so good. Teboba. No? Alright, I'm stuffed. I stuffed my face. Now I'm stuffed. Now it's your turn. Tell me in the comments below what your favorite food is and what you order at the restaurant.